Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. Today we're going to be installing the Tonno Pro low roll bed cover on our 2020 Silverado. The double-sided vinyl easily rolls up, giving us full access to the bed of our truck. The powder-coated brackets are easily installed using the supplied aluminum brackets and a few simple hand tools. A few simple tools we are going to need will be a 1/2-inch socket, 9/16 socket, a ratchet, and some clamps. Jumping right into the installation, we are going to want to open the tailgate and line up the mounting brackets with the sides of the bed rail. With the rail positioned towards the bulkhead, we can use some clamps to hold them in place so we can install the provided brackets. Taking the brackets, we will want to position them evenly through the bed rail and slightly compress the seal at the end of the bulkhead. Starting in the middle, position one bracket and snug it down with the provided clamp. Then you can install the other brackets on the back side and the front side of the bed rail. Repeat the process on the other side of the bed rail. Once the side rails are installed, we can install the adjustment block and the cover. For the adjustment block, we are going to start with the position number 2 for the tension setting. We can make any necessary adjustments if needed with the tension setting once the cover is installed. Carefully place the Tonno Pro cover in the slots of the bed rail brackets and make any necessary adjustments before tightening them in place. Install the plastic washer and nut, then tighten them down. Repeat the process on the other side. With the cover tightened in place, carefully unroll the cover and position it over the bed. To latch the cover in place, carefully position the bracket and push down to latch it in place. Finally, adjust the sides of the Tonno Pro cover to give you complete coverage and finish the installation. There you have it, guys. Now the Tonno Pro cover is going to give us great coverage when it comes to the open elements, and it's easy to operate. Anytime you need, just pull the latch to release the cover and roll it up. Then you can secure it to the ends of the bed with the provided retaining straps. As always, thank you for watching. If you would like any more information about this product, go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for our future videos.